Hi everyone, welcome to It's My Trading. In this channel, you will get complete stock market knowledge with simple English. Let's start.
Start with Tech Mahindra. Yesterday, company posted their results. In their results, they are giving two type of dividends in August. First one is 30 rupees final dividend per share, and second special dividend 15 rupees per share. Now total dividend per share is 45 rupees. If we divide it with company face value, they are giving 900% dividend. So this is a good deal for long-term investment. This dividend will approve on 30th July 2021 and dividend payout date is August 11th 2021. If you don't know about dividend and its benefits, soon I will post a video on what is dividend, why most of the investors like dividends. Now let's check company fundamentals once. In this Q4 consolidated report, we can observe latest quarterly results and last quarterly results along with year-on-year reports. First, I will adjust the screen to visible the numbers clearly to you. Now check company revenues from operations and other income. Now see these numbers. Let's compare to last quarter. 55 crores decreased in this quarter. Next, if we compare to year on year also, 129 crores of rupees down in this year. Yet these are not big minus numbers, but still these are negative numbers. Next, check company total expenses. If we check these numbers compared to last quarter, company expenses are increases. Now just observe here, compared to last quarter, expenses are increased and revenue are decreased. So this is the not a good sign yet. But if you see year on year, company expenses reduced with good difference. It means company controlling their expenses year on year. Next check PAT, profit after tax. As usual negative numbers compared to last quarter. Already we know that this quarter expenses increased. But if we compare with year on year expenses, numbers hugely decreased. So if we compare with year on year, still these numbers are good sign. Next, check EPS, earning per share. Compared to last quarter, slightly negative numbers in both basic and diluted EPS. But again, if we check last year, basic stands at 9.21 and diluted stands at 9.41. But this year, basic stands at 12.37 and diluted 12.26. It means nearly above 2% change we seen here. But quarter on quarter, down above 2%. Next, coming to balance sheet of this company. In this balance sheet, if we check here, company already mentioned two segments of their core businesses. One is IT, second one is BPO. In these both segments, company earned revenue. Now check the quarter on quarter and year on year numbers. Compared to last quarter in these both segments, revenue increased along with year on year. Finally, once we check top to bottom, my opinion is positive for long term investment in this company. Why? Because this is the most important company in IT sector, as well as most of the brokerage firms are giving call for long term investment because company fundamentals are good as of now, and mutual funds and insurance company also getting benefit in this company from last few years. And next main point is this IT company indexed in Nifty 50. Next, HDFC Life. Today price is corrected up to 3% down. Why? Because yesterday results impact on today's share price. So let's review on results shortly. Yesterday in results, HDFC Life posted good numbers. Coming to net profit also increased above 2% and value of new business also increased 14% year on year. But reason of today fall is company posted results are not meet the investors expectation. So that share price fall due to profit booking. And one more reason is expert says HDFC present share value is overvalued. So that some of investor done profit booking today. Again they will get back in good support levels. Why? Because 19th in this month most of the investors are entered long position to push the stock price upside because they expect good results. But yesterday results not met the expectation. So they start profit booking today. But still major brokerage companies are given targets above 750 to 800. Reason is company strong in fundamentals. But in this COVID situation, most of the insurance companies share prices are corrected in this April month. So if you are looking for short term opportunity, check insurance company support levels and buy on dips. Finally, why another day market gives bullish momentum? First start with COVID related news. Yesterday already we discussed about on Mumbai because in Mumbai cases are reducing daily. If it is continuous another 2 more days, hope Maharashtra government should give permission to start the businesses. And another reason is expiry. Within 2 days, the April month futures and options contracts are closed. So that those who entered in starting date of this month, they are trying to rebound the market up to their levels. These main two reasons leading market upside the last 2 days. If you see Nifty and Bank Nifty today opened flat and gives bullish momentum. But at 12 o'clock, Nifty and Bank Nifty both trade in range bound at important resistance level up to 1:30 pm. After that, buyers take position and push to upside to our yesterday posted resistance levels. Now check tomorrow's Nifty and Bank Nifty major support and resistance levels. In Nifty, I seen first resistance at 14,700 and next important resistance at 14,800 because put contract numbers are low compared to call side. Next coming to support, I seen first support at 14,500. If it fails, another major support I seen at 14,400 because in this price put contract are more compared to call contracts. Next Bank Nifty. I seen major resistance at 33,000 and another resistance at 32,500. Once it breaks the major support at 32,000 and another major support at 31,500. In case tomorrow market moves in sideways, in expiry day option sellers are take position. So this is the complete analysis of today market. If you are a beginner facing difficulty in intraday stocks, please follow my Telegram channel. I will post intraday stocks and charts daily with support and resistance levels.
Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.